So hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Devil's Game 999. So guys, today our question is PUBG Mobile a Chinese? Is PUBG Mobile a Chinese game? Some say it is, some deny. We explain it all right. PUBG Mobile is one of the most popular mobile game amongst the youth generation in India. However, it is reported that the game might soon lose its largest audience in the country. According to the various media reports, the government of India is looking to ban around 275 more Chinese apps, including PUBG Mobile, for potential users, privacy violation, and national security threats. To recall, the government recently banned 56 Chinese-owned apps, which included TikTok, ShareIt, browser, and more. The apps currently believed to be under the scanner, including PUBG, Ludo World, and more. The officially are yet to release details on ban of 200 plus Chinese apps. All of that said, why didn't the government ban PUBG Mobile beforehand alongside the TikTok? Is PUBG Mobile Chinese apps? Who won the game? There are few questions racing through our minds. Right now we answer them all. PUBG is a battle royale game developed by a PUBG corporation, a subsidiary of the South Korea video game company Bluehole. The game is available on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and mobile. The game was created by Brendan Green, player unknown, released back in 2017. The game starts with 100 players jump onto an abandoned island and turning it into a battlefield. The last player left standing wins the match and gets the chicken dinner. The game is quite fast paced with the safe zone collapsing and wild elements like red zone. It is the game that is credited with popularization the battle royale of gaming. After becoming extremely popular on the PC side, Tencent Game and the PUBG Corporation partner up to release a mobile version of the game for Android and iOS in 2018. The mobile version was an instant hit and gathered over 600 million times since launch. Why wasn't PUBG mobile banned with TikTok? Honestly, there is no answer to this question. The government of India did not reveal the individual reason or to why an app was banned or why a certain few were not touched. However, by what we can speculate, we think that the app was not banned as it was not completely Chinese since the original player unknown battle royale game was discovered by the Bluehole, which is a South Korea and Tencent game have partnered with them to launch the mobile version of the game. This makes the game to not completely be controlled by Chinese films. So now another question in our mind is that is PUBG Mobile a Chinese game? Yes and no. There is a very complex answer that needs to be detailed with track due to the current situation. PUBG is made by the Bluehole, including Tencent. When PUBG started getting popular, took the distribution and licensing from the brand from Bluehole to circulate the game in the China market. After looking at the popularity, Tencent game went a step further and partnered with Bluehole to develop a mobile version of this game, which would be developed by the Tencent mimicking the PC game. But the profit won't be shared due to the licensing agreement. two version of mobile PUBG Mobile was developed initially. Due to the Chinese censorship law, Tencent could not be published PUBG Mobile in China due to the blood and gore, and it had to be released the game under the title Game for Peace, eliminating all the blood and gore. The game became extremely popular globally. However, in developing countries like India, people using older and low spec smartphone could not play it. So Tencent launched a specific down version in the game, smaller up 60 player limit, more in 2019, called PUBG Mobile. Basically, to answer the question raised above, PUBG Mobile is not a Chinese game. However, it could be coded by the Chinese company. The game may mix the PC version, making all the design and the gameplay be like a game developed by a PUBG corporation. However, the game has been coded by the Tencent developer. So another question is that should you install PUBG Mobile? As of now, there is no official ruling stopping you from doing it. The game is quite fun and helps you connect with the people. So I would say that rather than looking at the origin of the game, you should be focused on how much satisfaction it provides you and if it is worth downloading for you or not. So thank you. And guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if any question in your mind, you can comment me. I will give immediate answer. And I am very sorry for the really very bad audio. So thank you. You have been a great audience.